back to my channel. So you guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my new way of laying down my wigs. You guys, I can't believe I've been suffering and smiling when it comes to fixing my wigs. Like, I discovered a very simple way to fix your wigs without wasting, like, taking a lot of time to lay it, put on, got to be glued, wait for it to dry. You have to dry it, you have to blow dry it. Like, I'm going to show you guys how I use just the free spray to lay my wigs, and this is probably gonna cut maybe 20-30 minutes out of your wig laying time, you guys. Like, seriously. And the wig I'm going to be using today is provided by Wigsbuy hair, and you guys, I decided to pick up a blonde wig. I've never really tried a pure blonde wig before, so for today's video I'm definitely gonna be doing that. And normally when I have on like colored wigs, I always like to get the root maybe a dark brown or a black color. Like, I always like to tint the root of my blonde or my colorful wig, but with this one right here, I'm just gonna do it like this. Like, we're gonna be testing out a pure blonde wig on me today. I went ahead and I plucked the wig. I also used kind of my foundation brush. I just rubbed it at the lace portion of the wig. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do will be to go ahead and apply a wig cap, because you need a wig cap to protect your natural hair. And as you all can see, I already put my hair on a cornrow, and I have a brand new wig cap right here, but for some reason whenever I use a brand new wig cap, it just knocks so much on my hairline, it starts giving me headaches. So I prefer to use an old wig cap, and this one is all old, and as you all can see, it's even torn right here, but I really don't care. I will just switch this one to the back so it won't be seen. Once I have my wig cap on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig. Previously, I would just go ahead and cut off the lace before putting on the wig, but recently I realized that it's better to put it on your head and then go ahead and cut, because that way you'll be able to see, like, our hairline always have some, you know, sizes and dimensions, so it's always better to cut the lace of your wig. It's better to place it on your head and then go ahead and cut. And before, when I put on my wig, I always find myself struggling to fit the earline, but ever since I discovered just cutting the wig on your forehead, it just makes everything easy, because while I'm cutting off the lace off of the wig, I already know, you know, how to just make sure I place the wig right on my ear. So once I've made sure I fit the ear part of the wig, I'm just going to go ahead now and shake up my free spray, and then I love to just roll up my wig and just spray it on it. And depending on how much hold you want, you can spray a lot or just a little. I'm just going to go ahead and begin placing the wig onto my hairline. It doesn't even take a lot of time, you guys. Maybe a minute or two, and everything is all laid down. So this is what we have here, you guys. I think I'm going to put this hair in a half up, half down pony, but first of all, I have to just comb it out. I'm going to go ahead and use the free spray and just make sure everything is all nice and laid. So I'm using this curling one right here. I can't remember where I bought this one from, but it's kind of I would say maybe a 20mm barrel. I just purposely left this hair right here because I'm going to use it and wrap around the rubber band. I'm going to use my hand and start separating all these curls. my gosh, you guys, I really do love this color. Like, why was I even overthinking it? For some reason I thought that the blonde would be too much on me, but this is actually good. And when it comes to the quality, you guys, I really do love it. As you all can see, I curled it and it's just perfect. And of course, I'm going to link every info regarding this wig in my description box, alongside any information you guys need regarding Wigsbuy hair. It's definitely going to be in my description box. And yeah, you guys, this is exactly how I use my got to be glued free spray to lay down my frontal. And this, like I said, this takes me like 2, 3, at most 5 minutes to do. And even when I want to lay baby hair, like with this look, I felt like when you see a blonde hair with a lot of baby hair, it doesn't look good. So I feel like it's okay this way. And yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below if you did enjoy, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
You are done with me. It's just fired.